Hello everyone. This next video on electric uke playing is about Steve Winwood's Higher Love. I have less to say as an introduction, except that in these level 3 videos, I'm not introducing anything really dramatic, but I am giving you songs with more complex chord fingerings and faster changes. And hopefully you're becoming quicker at anticipating the changes and at cleaner frettings. Some of these songs are chosen because they fit the skill level or the playing approach I'm looking for, but they're also the ones I grew up with, and I won't be happy if I don't play pieces I'm comfortable with. You also need to play songs you like so that you have a feel for them. For some reason I look upset during this song, and I wasn't. I was just concentrating on the screen. There's an enjoyable funkiness in this song. It's a duet with Chaka Khan, and I'm starting to wear headphones in these recordings to stay in the groove as best I can. For effects, mostly here I play clean with a little chorus. Tune up and let's go.